Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this episode we're going to take a look at the Matchbox Wilderness 5-pack from 1999. As you can see here, it has a 1999 copyright, it was a 99 release. It's one of those see-through ones, you can see my hand on the other side. These are the cars that were in it. Paul Wooten also did a review on this 5-pack on his channel, but his was a USA version. This is an international version. If I don't forget, I will show you the differences between the two, or tell you the differences between the two. And if I do forget, you can always check out his channel and watch his videos, his video on the 5-pack, and see the differences for yourself. So let's crack this open. First up is this one. It does have suspension, not very much, but enough, I would say. So since this is the International 5-pack, it says Vauxhall Frontera on the bottom. The USA version will have Isuzu Rodeo on the bottom. And that's why the name of the casting is not molded into the base, but is printed on, because in the USA they use the name Isuzu Rodeo, and in the rest of the world they use Vauxhall Frontera. It's the same car, it was the same car in real life, but they just used different brands to release them in. So it's a 94 copyrighted casting, it's in 1/62 scale. It's got a cool piece on the top with a spare tire and some gears, some luggage. It's got blue windows, this one, and what seems to be kind of a yellow interior. Got a push guard in the front, push bar, got a trailer hitch, another spare wheel on the back here. The USA version has got Wilderness Tours written on the side. Then the next one is a some kind of a motorcycle, but you know, who cares. Then we got this one. Is the Jeep 4x4, 1983 copyright, and I don't see a scale anywhere. No, cannot see the scale. So this has this kind of aerial or antenna. That's pretty cool. Also has the trailer hitch, albeit a little bit too high. And this one also has a spare wheel. This one has it in the back. It looks pretty much the same as the ones that are on the vehicle. Of course, it is molded into the interior. It's not a separate piece. Cool steering wheel also. You can see the seat belts. Nicely done. This one does not have suspension. Then we got the Chevy Transport Bus, very shiny chrome base. It's in 1/80 scale, 1998 copyright. Does have suspension. It's got kind of yellow windows. Very heavy casting, all metal body, plastic base. Very cool. Very shiny grille there. And then the last one is the VW Bus, or Transporter as it's called here on the base. 1/58 scale, 98 copyright. So this was a new casting at that time. Got suspension, it's got little curtains on the windows, the blue windows. Looks really cool. It's got the sliding top. Got some pictures of the outdoors, it seems. Nothing in the front. Cool. So as usual, we're also going to look at some variations on some other versions I have of these castings. So we're going to start with the Isuzu slash Vauxhall. We got two of them. Oops, sorry. We got a USA release, has a Isuzu Rodeo on an American long card, and then I got a Vauxhall Frontero in a window box. This is an Australian release in the Outback Adventures series. These are both from the year 2000. So we're going to open them up both and take a look at them. Got a nice protector here. So suspension as I shown, very cool. It has the same spare tire here on top as the ones that are on the vehicle, but again a molded piece into the whole part here, so not a separate wheel. Nicely tempoed cover of the spare tire in the back. All in all, very cool version. And then the Australian one. Let's see which side will open up first. Yep, this one I guess. This is also a nice protector here. So this one of course also has suspension. So as you can see here, it says Vauxhall Frontera printed on the base. No printing on the spare wheel cover, but it does have the nicely chromed out rim on the spare wheel on top. So that's cool. So here you can see the other one. It says Isuzu Rodeo on the base. You see. And then next up, we got some alternate. So this one, the Jeep 4x4, is still being used today. We got two recent examples of that one, albeit it is retooled, as I will demonstrate. This is a 2018 release. So you can see 2013 retooled. So let's put them together. It still has the trailer hitch, but it lost the antenna. Everything else seems to be pretty much the same. The bumper is a little bit different. As you can see, the original one has a smaller bumper. This has a little bit of a wider bumper piece. And the interior still seems to be pretty much the same, except for the steering wheel. That is now kind of a plastic blob standing in there. So it seems to be pretty hard these days to make a proper steering wheel. So that's a bummer, because I think this one looks really cool. And then I got this 2019 version in pink. And then we got the Chevy Transport bus. So this one, this is my, by the way, all of these, all the ones that were in the 5-pack are now my oldest versions of these castings. This was released the year after, in 2000, in the mainline series. Very cool also. And the last one, the VW Transporter, also the oldest version I have, as I said, 1999, and then I got one from the year 2000, also from a 5-pack, the Storm Trackers 5-pack, and then this one from 2001, a mainline. So that's it for this video. I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.